Hey, beauties. Ever wonder why turmeric is such a superstar in the world of health and wellness? Well, grab a cup of tea and let's chat. Turmeric has been used for centuries in cooking and medicine, especially in India and other parts of Asia. And the secret? A powerful compound called curcumin. Did you know this little golden spice can work wonders for your skin? Turmeric is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a skin superhero. Are you tired of dealing with acne? Turmeric fights bacteria and reduces redness, so if you struggle with breakouts, this might be your new best friend. Just mix a pinch of turmeric with aloe vera gel and dab it on pimples to reduce redness and inflammation. Want that natural glow? Turmeric boosts circulation and brightens your complexion. Say hello to radiant skin. You can blend turmeric with lemon juice or honey for sensitive skin to help fade hyperpigmentation over time. And dark spots? Faded. Mix a little turmeric with honey and yogurt for an easy DIY face mask. Just be careful, it can stain, so don't leave it on too long. Hit that like button if you love turmeric and subscribe for more easy wellness tips. Stay golden, my beautiful friends.